YouTube? It's your girl Za'Morian, and I'm back again with another video. I'm back again with another video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the wet look. Y'all have seen this on so many different videos. A lot of people have done it, and I've just been really eager to try it myself. This is basically how it came out. I'm gonna give you guys step by step on how I did it. I'm not gonna show y'all too much, but my hair is 100% dry, as you guys can see, and it still looks like it's wet. Like, my hair is damn near all the way dry, but it still has that wet look to it. This video is super popular here on YouTube, and I wanted to try it out myself. It came out literally perfect for me. I really like how it came out. I think it looks really cute, and I want to show you guys how I got it. So without further ado, we're not going to do too much talking, too much blubbering. Gonna get right into the video. But before we do all that, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and follow me on all my socials.
My sweater.
I'm filming a video.
My sweater.
That dirty old sweater. Kids, man. Kids. That's all I really gotta say, y'all. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, guys, so this is basically what my hair is looking like. Let me take my little microfiber towel off my head. So what I washed my hair with was this. You guys have seen me mention this product on my channel before. This is the Paul Mitchell shampoo 2. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, because my hair dries really fast, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my spray bottle and just re-wet my hair a little bit, because for this look we want our hair to be super wet and damp, because obviously it's the wet look, so we want it to be super wet. And even though I did detangle my hair in the shower, I'm gonna go over with my wide tooth comb one more time and just detangle it. My hair has no product in it right now, so I'm gonna just split it down the middle real quick and make sure it's nice and detangled. And I'm gonna be working in half sections. I'm gonna do this side then that side, and work like that. Okay, so now that I've got my hair 100% detangled, this volume ain't gonna work for this look. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go in with some conditioner. Now the conditioner that I'm gonna be using is this Coconut Custard Make It Last Wash and Go conditioner. It's from Shea Moisture, y'all already know. I've actually never tried this conditioner before, but I'm pretty loyal to all my Shea Moisture products, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna work on my hair pretty good. It smells like a custardy type of smell. It smells coconutty, custardy, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. So like I said, I'm gonna be working in half sections, so I'm just gonna split it in half again and re-wet my hair again. My hair dries so fast, y'all, so this spray bottle gonna be my best friend this whole time, because my hair dries so fast. And when I add this in here, I want to make sure that all the product is thoroughly distributed in my hair, so I'm gonna split it in half one more time. I don't know where my little clamp is at, but I'm gonna just throw this to the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and get some of the conditioner. This is why I don't like these ones, because they take too long. So I'm literally just gonna pop this top off, you feel me? We don't got time to be using that other part. My shirt is literally getting so wet, it's making me upset, because the water is just dripping all throughout my clothing at the moment, but it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take my girl, this hair everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Denman brush and just rake this product through my hair. So the main reason why I wanted to use that conditioner is simply because I watched a lot of different videos about it. A lot of people have said that it's a really thick conditioner and it kind of weighs your hair down. So that's why I personally decided to use it for this look, is because I don't want my hair to be big. The whole point of this look is to have a wet look, so I wanted to kind of weigh down my hair. And I know my other conditioners are not super thick. They don't weigh my hair down. That's why I didn't want to use those other conditioners. And this one here is just like a really thick consistency, and it really holds and molds down your hair. And I can already kind of see that, because as I'm putting it in, you guys, it's so thick. Like, it's super thick. Like, it's a thick consistency, and as I'm putting it throughout my hair, I feel like it's just really like weighing it down and clumping it together versus my other conditioners that I use. It kind of smells like cologne-y at the same time, like, if you know what I mean. It smells kind of like a cologne. or like a perfume. I don't really like that smell, but I do know that all the other products that I'm gonna be putting in my hair to get this look are gonna kind of mask that. So I know it's not gonna smell like this, you know, 100%. And look, as I'm brushing it, it's literally like looking hecka straight and stringy. So we don't want that. Let's scrunch it back up. And I'm literally doing the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm just using a spray bottle, spraying water onto my hair because I want to get it super damp and wet. And then I'm going to go in with the conditioner and distribute it all throughout this section. Same thing to that other side of my hair. And I'm also going to take my Denman brush and I'm going to be brushing my hair just to make sure that all the product is thoroughly distributed. And I'm going to start to mold my hair in that flat, sleek look. Okay, so the next product I'm going to go ahead and use is this Miss Jessie's soft pillow curls. I want definition, you feel me, as well as I wanted to have that wet look. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this product. I'm not gonna use too much because Miss Jessie's, for my hair, it sometimes has like a really strong smell. Ooh, has like a really strong smell. So I don't want to use too much, but I want to use enough to where it gets me the look that I want. And at this point, I'm no longer splitting my hair in half. I'm literally just adding in the product like my hair is in its natural, like in the state that it is right now. I'm not going to split it and do too much to it because I don't want to manipulate it too much because I like the way that it's laying right now. Hopefully that's kind of making sense, but I'm going to take just a little. I took about 2 pumps of this, so one on this side. I'm going to take another one and put it on the other side and just gently rub it against my hair. Now you can rake it through, so as you're applying all these products, make sure that you are raking it through your hair. Just don't be like splitting this and flipping it. Don't do all that. Literally just apply it in there, rake it down, and do it like that. I haven't quite decided if I wanted to do a middle part or push it all back, but if I do push it all back, I might do edges. I don't know, but we're just gonna see what it do. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna go ahead and go in with is this light defining curl gel. So basically what I wanted to use the Miss Jessie's for is to basically give my curl definition. So the conditioner was to put moisture in my hair, and obviously I always put conditioner in my hair no matter what style I'm doing as far as curly wise, but the Miss Jessie's was to put curl definition into my hair, and then this is going to hold those curls. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Deva Curl light defining gel. I've used this before on my channel. This is probably one of my favorite gels. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this, put about that much in my hair, and just put it right on top of everything. So for my hair, this part of my hair always, I feel like, never gets enough product. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more and really make sure that I'm putting it right here. And I'm really putting this all throughout my hair. And since I'm getting close to the end, I probably have about two more products to put, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, since I have my hair in a middle part right now, I don't want this look to be a middle part. I want it to all go back. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is begin to, I should have did this earlier, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it now. I'm just gonna comb it back because I don't want a middle part. I want it to all go backwards. So from now on, I'm just gonna be adding in all the product like that. I'm gonna put another gel. Yes, we're gonna do this. This is the last gel, I promise. I know this is a lot, but I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler. This is the Eco Styler. This, girl, come on, get it together. All these products is getting in my system and making me go crazy. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Eco Style professional styling gel. This is the castor oil, the black castor oil. I use this all the time, like for my edges, but I've never really used it all throughout my hair before since I was like in middle school. So this should be super interesting. In middle school, girl, I don't know what I was doing with my hair. I would just put stuff in it, didn't really know, but I haven't used it since then. So I don't want to put too much in it because I don't want my hair to be hecka crunchy. So I'm gonna use about this much, and I'm gonna stretch that between both sides. So I'm gonna put a glob here, put some here, and we just gonna do it like that. See, my hair naturally, see, I feel like I put my hair in the middle part so much, it stays in the middle part. I think I'm gonna just do a middle part. Forget it. I'm gonna do a middle part because I feel like my hair is already naturally splitting into a middle part because I keep my hair in the middle part 24/7. Like I rarely put it slicked back. So yeah, but it looks like my forehead too big to be doing a slick back. So we're just gonna do a middle part. Okay, sorry, but we're just gonna do a middle part. So we're just gonna comb these back down. Okay, so now at this point you probably have like a split in the middle. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get rid of that because I don't want a split to be in the middle of my head. Ooh, tell me y'all don't got length, y'all. Hold up, check me out. I know you're probably like, girl, this is too much product, but it takes all this to get that wet look. Obviously you can use different products, try it your own way, you know what I'm saying, always. But the next thing that I'm gonna be going in with, you guys, is I'm holding it backwards, but this is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Wave Whip Curling Mousse. I'm gonna use this mousse because mousse is basically gonna hold everything together. We put the conditioner for moisture, we put the Miss Jessies because we want definition, of course. We put in 2 different gels, you know what I'm saying, to make sure that it has a really good hold, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in a mousse just to set it all. A mousse is really good for, you know, people do like finger waves, they use mousse to keep that look and it looking, you know, shiny. I feel like finger wave, when people do that and they be using mousse, they low-key be having like a wet look on its own. It's just super short and stuck to their head. So we gonna go in with this mousse. People use all different types of mousses. I normally use the Lotta Body mousse. Was it Lotta Body? Yeah, I normally use the Lotta Body mousse, but I had none of that and I wasn't gonna buy no more. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm literally gonna keep my hair in. This is the position that we're gonna keep it in. I'm just gonna literally put this on top of everything just to set it all. Now I'm gonna get a little bit more because I feel like most of that mousse was kind of focused more on the top part of my hair, and I want to make sure that all my hair is just set. I'm gonna get more, and I'm gonna focus this next glob of mousse on the bottom half of my hair. Okay, now that's not gonna work. We need to do our edges. Okay, sorry, I have to grab my shirt because this stuff is on my hands. And then once we do our edges, we're also gonna set it a little bit more with the mousse. We're gonna put a little bit more just here, more at the hairline. Okay, so I'm gonna do my edges in the bathroom, y'all, simply because like I can't really see. I gotta really get up close with it and make sure that it's really set. So I'm gonna go do my edges in the bathroom. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my edges, and then I just brushed it a little bit more. I said that I was gonna add in some more of that mousse, but girl, listen, I don't need no more mousse, okay? So I went ahead and just did my edges with the Eco Styler gel, and then I went ahead and you're all probably like, girl, you use too many products, but it's okay because we needed a wet look. We needed to look cute. So I went ahead and went in with this Style Factor edge control, but I only just put it literally, I just spit, what the fuck? I put it right here just because for some reason this side of my hair, since my hair is always like weighed onto this side and I always have it like this or a middle part. Sometimes when I do a middle part, it like this side is just more puffier than this one. This one will lay flat, but this one won't because the hair is so used to being up and going this way. So I just put a little bit right there just so they both can lay flat. And then I went ahead and just did my edges, did my sideburns because these babies need to be tamed. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry and I'll come back and show you guys. Let me show you guys what time it is. Okay, so it is currently, if you guys can kind of see, it's 2:10 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry and we're just gonna see what it's looking like. So let me just give you guys a really good look of what it's looking like right now. Now I'm really hoping that it stays like this, you guys. This is the whole point. We want a wet look. We want it to stay looking like this. So this is basically what my curls are looking like. They look so juicy. Like, y'all, my curls look so like juicy. They look so juicy. Like, it's crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry. It is currently 2:11, well 2:10 when I showed you guys, and I'm basically just done. These are all the products I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry and we're gonna come back and see what we working with. Okay guys, so I am back and this is basically what my hair is looking like. Let me show you guys what time it is right now. It is currently 5, can y'all see? It's 5:28, 5:30, damn near 5:30, and my hair is probably like 90% dry. Like it's dry, y'all. There's no really like water. This came out really good. Like, I'm shocked. My elbow's just ashy. Is it? No, we good. But look. Yeah, I hope that you guys really like this video. This is basically it. I hope y'all can see that my hair is pretty much dry and it still looks like how it looks when I get out the shower. Like, that's just so weird. Like, bro, even though I would honestly never put that much product in my hair unless I was doing this look. Like, I would never put that much. That was just so many different products and so many different mousses and conditioners and gels. Like, I don't like my hair this weighed down, but for this look it came out pretty good. It's a little puffy right here, but I don't mind because, like, you know, it still has that wet look to it, but it looks really good, and I'm just so happy that it came out good. I'm glad that it didn't puff up, you know, especially right here. It's laying real flat, it's laying real sleek, you know, and I feel like this look would be so good if you're like going somewhere and you don't want to flat iron your hair, but you still want to look sophisticated and you still want to look, you feel me, like, don't play, I'm really about my business, I'm really here to handle some stuff. This is the look. This is the look right here. You know, everything, this is all dry. All this is dry. It's just more so like in here a little bit. It's a little wet, but other than that, my hair is pretty much dry, and it still looks, it looks like wet, bro. Like, it looks, the curls, obviously I have hella definition because I put, you know, a lot of product. Oh, it's getting caught to my necklace. I put a lot of product to make it look this like defined, but other than that, it looks really good. That's basically all I have for you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias, and hope you guys like this video. If you guys do try this look, don't forget to send it to me on my Instagram at Za'Morian with 3 N's, also my Snapchat as well as, oh no, my Snapchat is different from my Instagram, but it's zbabyxoxo. I made it in middle school. And also my Twitter, if you guys have a Twitter. I'm trying to, y'all know my relationship with Twitter, but if you guys do have a Twitter, make sure you guys send it to me on there. I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.